never stops. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Game time, game time. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Aim high, aim high. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Game time, game time. Power up, here we go. Are you ready to play? Are you ready to play? Get ready, the world's at your fingertips. There's nothing like this. Are you ready to play? Yeah, the future's today. Get ready, the world's at your fingertips. Are you ready to play? It's game time, game time. Aim high, aim high. It's game time, game time. Power up, here we go. Are you ready to play? Are you ready to play? Get ready, the world's at your fingertips. There's nothing like this. Are you ready to play? Yeah, the future's today. Get ready, the world's at your fingertips. It's game time, game time. Power up, here we go.
Yo, what's up guys, this is mayanksati and welcome to my channel. First of all, really sorry guys, वीडियो थोड़ी सी लेट आने के लिए रीज़न ये है क्योंकि मैं कुछ नया ट्राई कर रहा था जो कि आप लोगों को वीडियो में देखने के मिल जाएगा. एंड सेकंडली गाइस मेरे एग्जाम से. एंड गाइस आई प्रॉमिस यू एवरी वीक आप लोगों के लिए नया मोटिवेशन वीडियो विद न्यू वर्कआउट के साथ लाऊंगा. एंड गाइस वीडियो देखिए, बहुत बढ़िया वीडियो है. फुल बॉडी वर्कआउट, नो जिम रिक्वायर्ड. ये आप अपने पार्क में जाके भी कर सकते हैं. एंड गाइस लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, कमेंट कीजिए. लव यू ऑल.
This is a dream world we're living in.